Front doors take more abuse than almost any other part of your home, yet most homeowners don't realize how extreme the exposure really is. Unlike siding or roofing, a front door faces constant direct contact from sun, rain, temperature swings, and daily use, all focused on one small surface. Sun exposure is one of the biggest culprits. UV rays break down finishes faster than people expect, causing fading, drying, and cracking long before the rest of the home shows wear. Dark-colored doors are especially vulnerable because they absorb more heat, which accelerates finish failure. Moisture damage is another major factor. Rain, humidity, snow, and even morning dew repeatedly soak into the door's surface and seams. Over time, moisture works its way beneath the finish, leading to peeling, bubbling, swelling, and rot, often starting at the bottom edge where water collects. Temperature swings also take a toll. Front doors expand and contract with seasonal changes, stressing the finish and underlying material. This constant movement causes coatings to crack and lose adhesion faster than those on stationary surfaces like walls. Daily physical contact compounds the problem. Hands, oils, dirt, and cleaning products slowly break down protective coatings. High traffic use means the finish wears unevenly, especially around handles, edges, and panels. Finally, many front doors were originally finished with materials that weren't designed for long-term exterior exposure. Factory finishes often prioritize appearance over durability, leaving doors vulnerable within just a few years. The result is a door that looks worn, faded, or damaged long before the rest of the home shows its age. The good news is that this kind of failure usually doesn't mean the door needs to be replaced. Just properly restored and protected with professional refinishing designed to handle real-world conditions. Your local Door Renew can do that for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.